Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor X7 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to block a number, and we can do it using directly our contact list or the dialer settings. And of course I'll show you both options, and I would like to begin with the contacts. So let's open your contact list, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. Now let's tap on this more icon, the three dots icon, and tap on block contact. And as you can see, immediately this contact actually is blocked. Of course you can unblock it the same way, you can remove it from Blacklist, but let me leave it like this, we will check if it will actually appear on it. So that was the very first way of blocking the number, and the second one, as I said, is using the dialer settings. So let's tap on this phone section, open the keypad, and now let's tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on blocked, and as you can see we will be immediately transferred to the call block rules and message block rules. So you can tap on it, and here you can block all incoming calls, block unknown numbers or private withheld numbers. It's up to you if you'd like to turn those options on or off. And the same situation is here in the message block rules, but here we can only block unknown numbers. So as I said, it's up to you. And after setting the rules, you can enter the settings in the right upper corner. Here we've got the rules which we've just set, and right here we've got finally the blacklist and the trust list. So let's begin with the blacklist. After entering it, you can see that we've got the DADS number here, which simply means that we successfully blocked it from the contacts. So here you can tap on add, and we've got plenty of options to choose from. We can add from messages, call logs, again from contacts, but this way is a little bit different because by using it you will be able to block a lot of numbers in a row, so without the need to go through them manually. Here we've got also the option to block prefix, and here we've got the option add manually, which simply means that after tapping on it, you will be able to simply enter the number. You do not have to have it saved on the contacts, just enter it, tap on OK, and it will appear right here. What's more, under particular number, we've got the information about the number of block calls and blocked messages. You can also tap on it, and after that, thanks to this, you will be able to, for example, mark all of them and remove from the blacklist. Just tap on remove, and as you can see, the blacklist is empty. So basically that's all. This is how to block a number in your Honor X7. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.